Hi, grade 2. I'm Ms. Iman Said from channel Learn with Teacher Iman. Today we will start our first unit in your book Discover. But before I will start, but before I start our lesson, our chapter today, I would like to say that that is my channel, and I would like to make share, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today we are going to start our first unit in your book Discover from المعاصر, from the المعاصر book. Today our lesson is about the Nile I know. This term, we have our book consists of this term. Our book consists of two themes. Theme 3, how the world works. Theme 4, communication. Theme 3, how the world works. The Nile I know, sets and people of the Nile live along the Nile. Communication, communicating in my community, communicating our culture, communication tools. Today I will start theme 3, how the world works. The Nile I know. Do you think what this chapter will talk about this? Think with me. What we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about the Nile. The Nile. River Nile is in Egypt. So we have a story and we have a question and we are going to answer these questions. Let's go and read the text. Activity. Read the following dialogue, then answer the question. This is Adam's family. Adam's family. He lived with his father, his mother, and his sister Noah. Father, we have a surprise for you. Adam, what is the surprise, my father? Adam, what is the surprise, my father? Father, we will make a trip to the pyramid and the zoo next Friday because the weather will be fine. Means we are enjoying to go to pyramid and zoo next Friday because the weather will be fine. Noah, how can we go to the pyramids and the zoo? In this question, Noah asked about how we go by any transport that we use and how we use how the and how we use the tools that help us to go to the pyramids. So here is the tool that we use to know how to go to the pyramid. The map. You know the map. The map. This is the thing that have the, directions. We know to know the places. Like the compass, or the or like the GPS today to know where we are going. We have now we have GPS in our the phone that when we go to any place we see the GPS to know the direction. The map is like this map to know how to go to the pyramids and the zoo, and also to know different cities and regions of Egypt. May you tell me some information about the Giza pyramids? Adam, the pyramids are very big and very beautiful. Noah, the pyramids are from the seven wonders of the world. Mother, we will go to the zoo to see wild animals reserve. Adam, animals reserve are nice and different. The elephant is very big. So where is where is the family going to their on their trip? So where, we ask about place. We took it in English, and we know the WH question. Where is asking about the place. So I will answer, the family is going to their on their trip, by what is the mean of transport that we use. What is the mean of transport that we use? Sorry, not the place, not the mean of transport. Where, ask about the place. The family is going to pyramids and zoo. Pyramids and zoo. So I will say, I will write, family is going to the pyramids and the zoo. Okay. We have misunderstanding because there is where, not where, place, not the mean of transport. Why does father choose that Friday to go to the pyramid? Because the weather will be fine. Because the weather will be fine. The weather will be fine because the weather will be fine. Another question: what does the family use to know the different cities and regions of the Egypt? Use what the family use? Family uses the map. Okay, the map. Here is the map. Uses the map. Another one, another item, geography. We are going to know what is geography. In grade 4, when we go to grade 4 later, we have the subject called social studies. This subject consists of two parts. We have geography and we have history. Geography, what is the meaning of geography? I will define geography in this definition. It's the study of the land, water, and air around us. I will repeat again. It's the study of the land, water, and air around us. Land, water, and air affect people, and also people can affect them. Means there is effective between, the effect between people and the environment. People and environment. Okay, land, water, and air affect people, and also people can affect them, because if the weather is cold, they wearing heavy clothes. If the if the if the weather is hot, they wearing light clothes. So they are the what are the environment or the habitat affect the people? Yes, affect the habitat or the environment affects the people. We have land, water, and air affect people, and also people can affect them. Uh, from geography, and also people affect land because they cultivating land. So the people cultivating land, and they affect by this cultivating. When they grow crops, they benefit from these crops. Okay, people benefit from these crops. Okay, from geography, we can know that there are many habitats, such as desert habitat that has mountains. Mountains is a large building. Mountains like Muqattam. Like Muqattam is a mountain. Okay, mountains and sand dunes Okay, means sand dunes is a heavy sand. Okay, heavy sand. Farmland habitat that contains green banks of the Nile. Coastal habitat that contains seashores. I will repeat it again. The desert habitat that has mountains and sand dunes. Farmland habitat that contains green banks of the Nile. Coastal habitat that contains seashores. We have desert habitat, farmland habitat, coastal habitat. So what we can write in this definition, can write the definition of geography that we learned in the last item. what is the meaning of by geography? Geography, I will say, geography is it's the study of the land, water, and air around us. It's the study of the land, water, and air around us. Another one, in any habitat, space affect people. We tell about this. We have land, water, and air. We have land, water, and air. So I will write it. Land, water, and air. Land, water, and air. So we have three things that affect people: land, water, and air. From geography, we can know there are many habitats: desert, habitat, desert habitat, farmland, farmland habitat, and coastal habitat. We have desert, farmland, and coastal habitat. In any habitat, we have three things that affecting people, and people affected by it, by by it: land, water, and air. From geography, you can know many habitats: desert, farmland, and coastal habitat. Okay, another one. Look at the following Egypt map and read the paragraph, then answer the questions below. Maps are important tools to learn more about the land and water in Egypt. When we look at Egypt map, we will find the river Nile such as a curvy line like this. It's called like a triangle like this. This called a river Nile that goes all the way through the Egypt, goes all the way through Egypt. The river Nile flows from south. This is called south to north, from south to north. Okay, this is north, and in the Aswan, this is south, and this is and the in the Mediterranean Sea is north. Okay, towards the sea. Lake Nasser is found at the bottom. This is Lake Nasser. Lake Nasser. That is Lake Nasser in Aswan and has a high dam. Okay. Lake Nasser is found at the bottom of the river Nile. At the bottom here, at the bottom. Lake Nasser at the bottom. Lake Nasser was formed when Aswan High Dam was created. This is the Aswan High Dam. The purpose of the Aswan High Dam is to control the flow of the Nile. There are different colors on the map. Blue color represents water. We have blue color represents water. And we know after later, yellow, the yellow refers to sand or desert. And we have brown refers to mountain. We will know this later after finishing this item. Leader tells us what the colors and symbols. What the color? This is the key of this is called the key of the map. Legend tells us what the colors and symbols on the map mean. We have this description for try to run. The river Nile is considered in a straight line, goes all the way of the through Egypt. We know this in this text. No, we said that the river Nile has a curvy line, and this said straight line. So I will put right or wrong. I put wrong here. This is wrong. The blue color represents water. Yes, you know that represents water. The legend of map tells us about the colors and symbols on the map mean. Yes, the blue color towards the bottom. The blue color. The blue color towards the bottom of the river Nile is the Mediterranean Sea. The blue color towards the bottom of the river Nile is the Mediterranean Sea. Blue color, the bottom. No, it's not the Mediterranean. No, wrong. The blue color towards the bottom of the river Nile is Mediterranean Sea. Bottom is here. No, it's wrong. So I would say this is wrong. Okay. Read the following paragraph, then answer the question. The opposite map shows the different different landforms in Egypt, and how high they are above the sea level. How high above the sea level? High. Arabic ارتفاع. The green color in the map represents Nile Valley. Nile Valley in Arabic, Wadi Nil, low-lying areas. The areas around water sources like the sea and the Nile. Green color, it means low areas, but it has also chosen because this is where crops or plants are growing in Egypt. Grown here means cultivated. Okay, the Nile Delta is a very famous region in Egypt. The Nile Delta is low-lying area where the river Nile meets the Mediterranean Sea. It's called delta because it's shaped like a triangle, like Greek letter delta. The Nile Delta is rich of agriculture region in Egypt. I will read it again to know and answer the question below. The opposite map shows the different landforms in Egypt and how high they are above the sea level. The green color in this map represents the Nile Valley and low-lying areas. The areas around the water sources like the sea and the Nile. Green color means low areas, but it has also chosen because this is where crops or plants are growing in Egypt. The Nile Delta is a very famous region in Egypt. The Nile Delta is a low-lying area where the river Nile meets the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. It's called delta. It's called delta because it's shaped like a triangle. Sorry, it's shaped like a like a triangle, like Greek letter delta. We use the triangle in delta in Greek letter. Okay. The Nile Delta is a rich agriculture region in Egypt. Okay, space color chosen for Nile Valley. Nile Valley, which colors we use for Nile Valley? Green. So I will write here green color. Nile Delta in Egypt has a space shape. Nile Delta has a shape is triangle. Shape is triangle, okay? Triangle shape. The Nile Delta is a rich agriculture region in Egypt, right? The Nile Delta is low-lying area where the river Nile meets. No, because we know in the text that not low-lying is Nile Valley. I will return. I will go to the. I will return to the text to know this sentence. The Nile Delta is a rich agriculture region in Egypt. Yes, this is this one. I will make right here. The Nile Delta is low-lying area where the river Nile meets the Red Sea, not Red Sea. Low-lying not Red Sea, not Red Sea. Low-lying the Nile Delta, low-lying area where the river Nile meets the Mediterranean Sea, not Red Sea. So I will put it wrong here. Okay, this is wrong. This is wrong thing. I will leave this exercise to do it. We use colors to expressing the places like mountain colored in blue and sorry in brown, water colored in blue, and a farmland colored in green. We do this as exercise activity. Do it by yourself. Okay. In this activity, we have colors and we matching the suitable picture with this word, with this color. We have a green. So we all know in the last text that the green refers to the farmland. So I will select this one by the last one. Here is green land. What is the blue color refers to water. So I select the blue by this picture. Yellow is in desert habitat. We use yellow in desert to expressing for coloring desert habitat. Another lesson. We go to another item. Lesson 2. Planning a trip. Planning a trip. This means we arranging a trip to go. Okay. Let's go to this text to know how we planning a trip. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions below. Last week, Adams and Noah's family went to the pyramids and the zoo. Their father finds that they are sitting on a table and looking at a big map of Egypt. This is the tool we use to know the directions and places that we go to. And now we use instead of map, we use GPS, and we can know this from their parents, our father, your father, your father when he is driving a car, we use this GPS to know the direction or the places that we are going to. Okay, I will continue and answering the questions. Last week, Adams and Noah's family went to the pyramids and the zoo. Their father finds that they are sitting on the table and looking at a big map of Egypt. Father said to them, "Why are you looking at Egypt's map?" Adam said, "We want to make a trip in the river Nile." Noah said, how should we get there?" Adam said, "We will book a plane for this big trip." "What is your plan for this trip?" Father asked. Adam said, "We want to get a boat. We want to get a boat in the river Nile and catch fish. This is a great idea to enjoy the wonderful views while we are on the boat." Noah said, Father told them that it was a wonderful idea, that it was a wonderful idea, and asked them to bring their luggage for the trip, for the trip, such as food, drinks, and a fishing tools. I will read the text again to answer the questions. I will read it again and listen clear and listen it clear with me. Okay, and pay attention with me when I read it again to answer the question. Last week, Adam and Noah's family went to the pyramids in the zoo. Their father finds that they are sitting on a table and looking at a big map of Egypt. Father said to them, "Why are you looking at Egypt's map?" Adam said, "We want to make a trip in the river Nile." Noah said, "How should we get there?" Adam said, "We will put a plan for this big trip." "What is your plan for this trip?" Father asked. Adam said, "We want to get a boat in the river Nile and catch fish." "This is a great idea to enjoy the wonderful views while we are on the boat." Noah said, Father told them that it was a wonderful idea and asked them to bring their luggage for their luggage for the trip, such as food, drinks, and a fishing tool. What is the plan that Adam suggested? Means suggested to do what? The plan that Adam suggested. What suggested to do what? Suggested to go to go to trip to a to a grade to what grade two. Suggested to go a mhm, suggested suggested to go to uh, uh, suggested to go to get a boat in the river Nile and catch fish. To go to suggested to this uh, Adam suggested that 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 they want to get a boat in the river Nile and catch fish. Next question: what did Noah say about Adam's plane? Noah said Noah said Noah said Noah said, "This is a great idea to enjoy the wonderful views while we are on the boat." What did father ask his children to bring with them in this trip? To bring what? Luggage for luggage, uh, luggage full of food, drinks, luggage full of what means is full of مملوءة يعني شنطة مملوءة luggage for the trip full of a food, drinks, and fishing tools. Okay, in this activity, we know the types of ship. We have tourism ship. This is the tools used to visit in the sea. Fishing, the fishing means using to catch fish, carrying people, carrying people from place to another, carrying goods to transport the goods from place to another place. We will know every one of these ships. This boat is used for what? We can say what is this in this boat? This is goods. So this boat is for goods. So this boat carrying goods. So I will select good and good here. What the man doing here by this boat is fishing. So I will select fishing here. What is the boat carrying here? Carrying. No, it's not carrying. It's for tourism. So I will select one by this one. Another ship. This ship carrying people. So I will select people here. This is for people. Okay. This is an activity, do it by yourself. Another one. Uh, uh, in this board, we have numbers. We have numbers of board number كذا board number what carries the greatest number of pieces. We will count the pieces here and tell what is the greatest one in this exercise. I will count it and we say which one is carrying the greater pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which one by seeing this without counting also? Which one is the greatest? Has the greatest pieces? Number 4. So I will select board 4 here. Put board 4 here in this place. The one who has list board 3. By seeing here, by seeing without counting also, by saying here, we say this is the least one. So the greatest one is number 4, and the least one is number 3. The shape of the boat helps it float in the surf. The shape of the boat helps it to float on the surf. Yes, yes. I put here right. Cargo is the items of both tracks and airplanes carried from place to place. Yes. As I put here. Yes. Another activity, weather and our world. In this activity, we know the clothes and the how we wear in the weather. In summer, wearing we have clothes clothes and things that we wear in this weather. In winter, we have clothes and things that wearing in this weather. So in summer we use glasses, and we use also shorts. Where the weather is hot, so we wearing shorts. We wearing also t-shirt and slippers. Slippers. When we go to the beach, we will wearing these slippers. Okay, we have slippers. This one, glasses, shorts, and t-shirt. Another one. In winter, what we are wearing in winter? Wearing ice cape, skirt, socks, and coat. So this is the wear that the things that we wear in, and boat also. Boots. We wearing a shoes, a long shoes called boots. So in winter we wearing boots, we wearing skirts, we wearing ice skate, we wearing socks, wearing gloves, and wearing coat. In summer wearing slippers, wearing shorts, and wearing t-shirt. The last one here is by this one. The last one is by this one. Okay. In space, we sat beside the heater. All of us, when we sit beside the heater, can we sit behind the heater in summer, in the hot weather, or we sitting on air conditions and fan? We sitting we in summer, we sitting beside air conditions and fan. So which season that we sit beside the heater in winter? So I will select winter and write winter here. Here is winter. Okay. In space, we like playing in summer. I'm listening to saying this in summer. In summer, yes, you are clever. Pupils grade 2. Another one. In space, we like eating ice cream. We eating ice cream in winter or in summer? In summer. So I will write here. I will write here summer. I will write summer here. Okay. In winter, we wear heavy clothes. In winter, all of us in winter we wear heavy clothes to be warm. Clear or not? We are all of us wearing heavy clothes in winter or not? Yes, wearing heavy clothes in winter. Okay. In space, the weather is cold. Which season that is cold? What that is called in winter? So I will write here winter. We color this picture. Okay, I leave your picture. This picture to color it. Okay. Another one. In space, the weather is hot. The weather is hot. Which season that is hot? Summer. So I will write it. I will write here summer. Write summer. Write summer. Okay. Another one. We wear light clothes. We also use umbrellas to protect us. So this is in summer. In summer these things done. In summer the weather is hot. We wear light clothes. We also use umbrellas. That is in summer. In winter, what we are doing in winter, I will return to another to the last picture to know what we're doing in winter. In winter, the weather is cold. We will have clothes, use umbrellas in rainy days. And we have weather, and we want to select little windy and windy, rainy, cloudy, and so on. Which one? This is sunny. I will select sunny by this one. Partly cloudy, partly cloudy, partly cloudy, uh, partly cloudy. This one, partly cloudy. Little windy, little windy, little windy. This one, I select this one by this one. Very windy, this one. Running, this is run. I select this one by this one. Cloudy, this one by this one. Cloud. Okay. So I will repeat it again. This is windy. This is very windy. This is very windy. Sunny. This is sunny. Partly cloudy. Partly cloudy. Cloudy. This is cloudy. Runny. This is runny. Little cloudy, little windy. This is little windy. Okay. Another one. In this picture, we have can do it as a homework. Takes pictures from any book, not from the NASA. That describes very windy, describes weather. Weather describes weather. Describes weather very windy, sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, and little windy. Where we can see from any books taking the picture and stick here to describe the climate that describe climate to describe the suitable terms. Okay, another one. This is the map. I will leave it as a homework to do it. My weather report. Uh, I will stop here today. I will stop here today. Next class, I will start this item. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Good